Hey there, cat parents. Are you struggling with the smell of cat urine in your home? It happens to the best of us. Don't worry, today, I'll walk you through step by step how to get rid of that smell for good. And yes, we'll use methods that are safe, effective, and backed by science. So grab a notebook or just follow along, we've got this. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Addressing fresh versus dried urine. If the accident just happened, grab some paper towels or rags and blot as much urine as possible. Don't rub, just press firmly to absorb the liquid. Immediate action is key because cat urine contains ammonia, which creates that strong, unpleasant smell. If the urine is dried, locate the stain. If you can see the dried spot, great. If not, use a UV flashlight, which can make dried urine glow, helping you pinpoint the area. These are affordable and widely available at pet stores or online. Rehydrate the urine. Mix equal parts warm water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray the dried spot generously to rehydrate the urine. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This step helps loosen the uric acid crystals in the dried urine, making them easier to remove. Blot the area. After letting the mixture sit, blot the area with a clean cloth or paper towel to soak up as much liquid as possible. Continue with cleaning steps, skip the vinegar neutralization. Move directly to applying baking soda. Neutralizing with vinegar, this step applies only if it's fresh urine. Mix a solution of 1 part white vinegar to 1 part water in a spray bottle. Spray the affected areas generously, enough to soak the surface. Let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. The acidity of vinegar helps neutralize the alkaline ammonia in cat urine. Wipe the area clean with a fresh rag or paper towel. Apply baking soda. Once the area is dry, sprinkle a layer of baking soda over it. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer that will absorb lingering odors. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Create a DIY cleaning solution. In a bowl, mix a 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide with 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Pour or spray this mixture over the baking soda and scrub gently using a brush or your gloved hands. Let the area air dry. As it dries, you'll notice the odor disappearing. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down organic compounds like those in urine. Use an enzyme cleaner. If the smell persists, apply an enzyme-based cleaner specifically designed for pet odors. These products contain enzymes that break down uric acid crystals in cat urine, which are the main culprits of the lingering smell. Follow the product instructions. Usually, you'll need to saturate the area and let it sit for at least 15 to 30 minutes. I recommend brands like Nature's Miracle or Rocco and Roxy, both praised by the Humane Society for their effectiveness. Final rinse and vacuum. After the enzyme cleaner has done its job, rinse the area with clean water. Blot the area dry, and once it's completely dry, vacuum to remove any remaining baking soda residue. Preventing future accidents. Clean litter boxes frequently. Cats are less likely to pee outside the box if it's clean. If inappropriate urination continues, consult a vet. It could be a sign of a medical issue like a urinary tract infection. We have an awesome video that will give you valuable insight into why your cat pees in the wrong places. The link should show up right about now. And there you have it, your home can be fresh and clean again, even with your furry friends around. If this video helped you, please hit that subscribe button and share it with anyone who might need this advice. Drop a comment below if you've got other tips or questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.